How to buy $MXNA. Machina token dark machine crypto coin. How to buy MEXC Global BITGET COINW ETHEREUM UNISWAP. How to buy $MXN Machina token. A step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, Logan here, back with another crypto investment video. Today, we're diving into the Machina token, ticker symbol MXN. It's an exciting new token that's about to get listed on a major centralized exchange, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know about buying it. What is the Machina token, $MXN? The Machina token, MXN, is part of a larger project called Dark Machine, a game-based metaverse. The project has a fascinating narrative set in the year 2079, where humankind is living in an energy bubble after the discovery of the Palmer crystal, which provides unlimited energy. However, not all of humanity has benefited from this energy, leading to underground battles for control. The game allows players to take control of massive mechs called destroids, which are equipped with AI that makes them sentient. Players fight alongside their mechs in team-based combat for rewards and domination. It's an exciting and futuristic game combining mech combat, blockchain technology, and a unique play-to-earn model. Key features of the Machina token: blockchain, Ethereum, ERC, 20 token, total supply, 1 billion tokens, decimals, 18 decimal places, platform, PC, iOS, Android, post-launch. Dark Machine aims to revolutionize esports by making it more accessible to the general public, offering decentralized tournaments and allowing players to earn rewards based on their skill, rather than just professional gamers. Where can you buy $MXN? The Machina token will be listed on MEXC Global starting January 16th at 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Here's how you can buy the $MXN token on MEXC Global and other platforms. How to buy Machina token, $MXN, on MEXC Global. Create an account on MEXC Global. First, head over to MEXC Global and sign up if you don't already have an account. You may need to complete verification depending on the platform's requirements. Deposit funds. Once your account is set up, deposit USDT or other supported cryptocurrencies into your MEXC wallet. You can also use fiat currencies, depending on the options MEXC provides. Search for the $MXN token. After funding your account, navigate to the trade section and search for MXN or Machina in the search bar. Place your order. Once you find the correct pair, e.g., MXN/USDT, you can either choose a market order or a limit order to buy the token. A market order allows you to buy at the current market price, while a limit order lets you set your desired price. Confirm your purchase. After entering the amount you want to purchase, review the details and confirm the transaction. Store your tokens. Once your purchase is complete, you can leave your $MXN tokens in your MEXC wallet, or for better security, transfer them to an external wallet. Playing the Dark Machine game. Dark Machine is a cross-media release that combines a gaming experience with an anime series available for TV and streaming platforms. It's a team-based shooter with large-scale mech combat, and it focuses on players being able to earn rewards through skillful gameplay. The game's economy supports the use of $MXN tokens and other in-game currency mechanisms for tournaments and player rewards. Token utility. The $MXN token has various uses within the game and the broader ecosystem, such as in-game purchases and upgrades, staking to earn rewards, governance participation in decentralized tournaments, content generation and content ownership within the game. Why invest in Machina token? The Dark Machine project is backed by Tencent Games, a huge player in the gaming industry, known for publishing Fortnite, among other titles. This gives the project significant credibility and resources. The mech-based genre is gaining traction again, with successful games like Armored Core 6 reigniting interest. $MXN is a utility token within a play-to-earn model game, which could see widespread adoption as blockchain gaming continues to grow. Esports democratization, giving non-professional players a chance to earn rewards based on their skills. Important information. Launch date: January 16th. MEXC Global listing. Available platforms: PC, iOS, Android. Future launch. White paper. A detailed white paper outlining the mechanics of the game, the story, and tokenomics is available for review on the Dark Machine website. Join the community. Telegram group. Dark Machine has an active community with over 2,300 members. You can join to discuss the project and keep up with the latest updates. Twitter. The project has 25,000 plus followers and regularly shares updates about the game and token. Final thoughts. The Machina token, MXN, is part of a highly promising gaming metaverse project that combines a competitive mech combat game with blockchain technology and a play-to-earn ecosystem. With backing from Tencent Games and a strong gaming and anime connection, the project has the potential for growth. If you're interested in investing in this space, January 16th is your opportunity to get in early on MEXC Global. Don't forget to do your own research and, as always, invest wisely. If you want to get started, make sure to use the referral codes in the description below to get some additional rewards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.